आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Today's question is the lines which intersect the skew lines y equals to mx, z equals to c, and y equals to minus mx, comma z equals to minus c, and the x-axis lie on the surface. So basically we have two pairs of skew lines. The first is y equals to mx and z equals to c, and the second is y equals to minus mx, comma z equals to minus c. So if we find the equation of plane passing through the first pair of screw lines, we'll get first equation of plane as y minus mx plus lambda 1 into z minus c equal to 0. So let this be the first equation. And the second plane will be y plus mx plus z2 into z plus c equal to 0. So let this be the second equation. Now it's given that both these planes meet on the x-axis. So we'll find the point where they intersect the x-axis. So for x-axis, we'll put y equals to z equals to 0. So in the first equation, we'll get minus mx minus c into lambda 1 equals to 0. Therefore, from here we get the value of x1, that is the point where the plane meets the x-axis, as minus c lambda 1 divided by m. And in the second plane we get mx plus c into lambda 2 equals to 0. So the point on the x-axis will be z2, which will be equal to minus c into lambda 2 upon m. Now since they meet on the same point on the x-axis, x1 will be equal to x2. Therefore we'll get lambda 1 equals to lambda 2. Now if we find the value of lambda 1 and lambda 2 from the equation 1 and 2, we get y minus mx divided by z minus c equals to y plus mx divided by z plus c. Now solving this, we'll get the equation of surface. So solving them, we get the final equation as cy equals to mzx. So now checking the options, we see that the option C is the correct answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।